It's the beginning of the month, so let's time you do your system restore point. So make sure you click on your search box there. You're going to type in advanced system settings. And why is it not showing up? Oh, it helps that I spell it right. Yeah. Advanced system settings. There they are. From here, you're going to go into system protections. You're going to make sure that your drive is configured to 10% so you can store multiple restore points. It gives us techs or anyone who is knowledgeable who has to fix your computer later on a starting point if we need it. So make sure it's set to 10%. Click OK, and then you click create, and then you just put in today's date and let it run, and it will create a restore point with that date. That way, like I said, if a tech like me or someone who's a little knowledgeable or experienced in restoring computers needs to start at a point because everything else was failing, they have a starting point. This way they don't have to completely wipe and reinstall everything and then try and do the data recovery and so on. I will do that because that's what you're paying me for. But you probably don't want your friend, who's maybe not your best friend, sitting in your house for 6 8 hours trying to do all this. I'm just saying. So that's how you create a restore point once a month, at least once a month. But every time your Windows updates or new piece of software is updated, it usually creates one too. Again, that's why you need that system restore point to be 10% of your hard drive. Anyways, questions? Pop them down in the comments. I'll do the best I can to answer them. You guys have a great day.